Good day, I'm John Kovacs and welcome to my introduction video. I'm an accounting and finance professional with over 30 years of experience. I obtained my CGA designation in 1981 and supplemented it with a Bachelor of Business Management from Ryerson University in 1984, a Master's of Business Administration from Heriot-Watt in Scotland in 2002, and a Black Belt in Lean Six Sigma in 2011. Presently, I'm studying the Level 1 curriculum of the Chartered Financial Analyst program. Much of my work experience has been in the manufacturing, distribution, and service industries, with a little in the not-for-profit sector. My roles typically were that of controller, director of finance, or director of operations. Currently, I'm self-employed, offering bookkeeping and tax services to small businesses. I have a few clients to keep busy, but I'm not making a living. I best describe myself as an accountant who has a strong operational bent. Most of the value in a company takes place in the area of its core competencies, mainly its operations. The search for lost value may start in accounting and finance, but will ultimately take you to its largest reservoir, the company's operational core. The tools of Lean Six Sigma help me to recover lost value. Hence, my mantra is financial results through process improvement. I consider myself a formidable candidate for your advertised position because through the adherence to and practical application of 5 disciplines, I can achieve the results that you require. The disciplines are accounting, finance, information technology, process improvement, and leadership. I will briefly elaborate on each of them. Accounting is the language of business. It has been largely focused on external reporting, retrospective performance, and financial position. Although this remains important, you also have to pay attention to internal management reporting, which is prospective. For example, how is the quarter or year end going to finish? It's often critical for line management to need to know how they're performing in their area of responsibility. I see myself as the astrologer who discerns and interprets the trends and variances found in management reporting. Because of the dynamism of business today, strong internal controls are necessary to ensure compliance with the company's policies and procedures, and to maintain reporting integrity, to prevent fraud, and to protect the company's assets. Also, a robust costing system allows the company to accurately determine product and customer profitability and to choose from alternative courses of action. Whenever possible, I deploy activity-based costing because it better allocates the true indirect costs to products. I believe the most important facet of finance is the management of the company's lifeblood, cash. Its management includes the preparation and monitoring of operating, working capital, fixed asset, and share capital budgets. The maintenance of good relationships with your banker, your insurer, and your suppliers ensures a steady supply of cash. I also wholly support ongoing risk analysis of customer credit, foreign exchange, commodities, and interest rate risk. Data seems to be everywhere, especially in your company's database. Unfortunately, relevant information is sparser. I'm a big advocate of information technology. In many instances, the software in place is not optimally utilized. I've installed 4 ERP packages and promote data mining through the use of Microsoft Access and Crystal reports. Having access to information changes everything for a line manager. You can't manage what you can't measure. I have found that the use of key performance indicators are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively a company is achieving key business objectives. A sports analogy. In baseball, a key metric is on-base percentage. Effective use of KPIs can transform your business. There's a trade-off between a company being effective and efficient. How do you know if you're doing the right things to achieve goals and doing those rightly using your limited resources wisely? The tools of Lean Six Sigma applied to process improvement helps me to resolve this problem. Lean methodology helps to eliminate wasteful activities, and Six Sigma assists in achieving stable processes with low defects. What a great combination! Just as effective in the transaction-based office as it is on the plant floor. It can be described in 3 words: better, faster, cheaper. The search for best practices is an ongoing journey. In my opinion, leadership is an attitude you bring to work each day. You have to be a strategic thinker and a problem solver. I manifest this by being a change agent who always searches for a better way. I've also found that leadership involves pulling your own weight on a team, providing resources, training, and mentoring to your staff, and oddly enough, to follow when appropriate. I trust I've successfully disclosed more of my professional profile to you than you may have gleaned from my resume. Thank you for watching, and please call me to explore the possibility of a mutually beneficial relationship.